Yo, Midas. Let's talk about the next wave of 10x hypergrowth, and that wave is fintech companies based in the US. So, disclaimer, everything said in this video is only for education purposes. Make sure to always do your own research. Now, what are some examples of this wave of hypergrowth? We may have seen the AI meta with NVIDIA, Palantir, BigBear.ai, with space with Rocket Lab, Lunar, ASTS, flying cars with Archer, quantum computing with D-Wave, Rigetti, IONQ, data centers with Applied Digital, HIVE, NBIS Group, and data providers like Oracle, MongoDB. So hypergrowth is taking to this pattern disruptive technology that has blown up in the last year or so, from 2024 to 2025, going up easily by 100% or more. And the purpose of this video is to find the next sector that I believe will also do this. And this stems from the fact that I'm using narrative investing, where I can predict when a technology stock will pump by front running the narrative of a sector before everyone else. I used this strategy when I predicted Big Bear AI before it reached $10, got in around $2 when Trump invested in defense before his inauguration. I believe that they were the next Palantir, so they could land more government contracts. With IONQ leading the way for quantum computing, I found D-Wave and Rigetti, which were the second best quantum computers at the time. There was also a narrative of quantum hacking Bitcoin, which I did not believe, and therefore still invested it when it dipped. And especially during a bull market, hype is really all that matters. If you look at all of these disruptive technologies, a lot of them have pretty bad fundamentals, high PE ratios. You can think of it like Palantir, and yet they're still going crazy. Before Palantir even made any revenues, people thought it was a dying stock, and look at it now. This is what I mean by hype is all that matters. If the stock you're investing in, you believe it's going to go up by, 30x, that could be possible with the right technology you're looking into. Keep that in mind. Now, you might be wondering, why is fintech companies the next wave of hypergrowth? So this is a post by Cointelegraph where the Robinhood CEO unveiled a mock-up app for Trump's account initiative, which is a $1,000 government-funded brokerage account for every American newborn. He said that it's ready to go to deliver accounts for over 3.5 million annual births. This is going to be insane for how many accounts are going to be invested on using Robinhood. Think of all the transaction fees, all those different income streams that they're getting from all of these newly added accounts. Robinhood is going to do very well during this bull run. Now, some more information as to why fintech companies are so bullish. Another reason is rate cuts equal more spending. Lower interest rates will fuel consumer borrowing and spending, boosting fintechs offering credit, lending, and BNPL services. They're also mainstream digital finance, where everyday users are ditching banks for sleek mobile-first fintech apps. This is the major behavioral shift that's still growing. A lot of people don't want to go to manage their money through banks and want control their money. That's sort of a big reason why people are into crypto, because crypto, you're able to manage your own money. You're able to manage your own Bitcoin without a centralized entity like a bank. That's people believe in Bitcoin and these decentralized technologies. Underserved is equal to untapped growth, where fintechs are scaling fast by targeting young, underbanked, and global users traditional banks overlook. And fintech X Web3 integration, many fintechs will partner with crypto and blockchain platforms to enable faster, cheaper, and borderless transactions. Very bullish in fintech in general and how they're going to be working with crypto companies, because I believe that blockchain is going to sort of disrupt our world, going to make transactions a lot faster. Imagine you can send transactions from, Canada all the way to Africa in a matter of seconds, rather than having to do a bank transfer across the whole world. I'm very bullish in what crypto has for the future. So yeah, some more information on fintech companies working with crypto. Coinbase launched the Coinbase One card, offering up to 4% Bitcoin back on every purchase, powered by American Express. That's insane to me. And I just think that thinking about how far crypto has gone from when it was back in 2020, when people just thought it was a meme. People were investing in Dogecoin, in Bitcoin, thinking it wouldn't do much, but just, willing to bet on it. And now seeing Bitcoin at 100K and people, even the largest crypto exchange, Coinbase, working with American Express on a MasterCard is quite insane to me. Now, these are the companies I'm betting on with this next hypergrowth, which is fintech companies. So we have SoFi Technologies. The current price is at $14, market cap's at 15 billion. Well, why invest is the largest online lender in the US. And like I mentioned, the youth want that one application where they're able to manage their money from the comfort of their home. Robinhood Markets, current price is at $72, market cap 64 billion. Why invest? Well, it's the most used stock exchange in the world, used by generations of different people, from the youth or the elderly. Coinbase Global. So ignore the risky bet. That was from a previous slide, but the current price is at 253 and the market cap is at 64 billion. So is that a typo? That might be a typo, I'm not sure, 'cause it's so similar to Robinhood. I'll double check later. But why invest? It's the most used crypto exchange in the world. Think of the transaction fees, how much people are going to be investing into crypto once the bull market happens. And a lot of those retailers get FOMO into buying Bitcoin and they didn't buy it at 100K and it reached 200K. Imagine the worldwide panic as well as transactions that'll be happening on a day-to-day basis. Chime Financial, current price is at 34 USD, market cap at 11 billion. Well, it's a company that recently IPO'd and exploded. Many households use Chime. PayPal, current price is at 70, market cap at 68 billion. Well, why invest? It's a company integrating crypto with PayPal USD, PYUSD. You can also pay using PayPal using Solana. They also have a PayPal and Coinbase partnership. PayPal to me is the one financial or fintech company that has the most potential or is working with a lot of those crypto firms for partnerships. Fold Holdings, current price is at $4 USD with a market cap of 217 million. This is the only penny stock on this list. But why invest? It's the first Bitcoin only financial service. All of their fintech is based off of Bitcoin, which means that if Bitcoin goes up, this company's going to skyrocket. Finally, we have Block. Current price is at $61, market cap to 39 billion. Well, why invest? They own multiple fintech applications like Square, Cash App, Spiral, Tidal, and TBD. And that's all I got for today. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.